Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda CRV. It has 72,962 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This CRV is 4-wheel drive. It has 4 doors with a rear hatch. I am going to go ahead and push this button. Oh no, I won't have to get to the trunk. But I was going to let you know this button will get you to the trunk. Alright, let's take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. That number that y'all are seeing, 117,422. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 72,962. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I'd like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.